Welcome, dear viewers. A powerful winter storm continues to impact Chicago and much of the U.S. Midwest, bringing heavy snowfall and strong winds that will persist through Tuesday. Several major cities are expected to remain under the storm's influence, including Chicago, Iowa City, Columbus, St. Louis, along with many surrounding areas facing harsh winter conditions. By Tuesday evening, the storm is forecast to shift eastward, spreading snow and dangerous travel conditions across Pennsylvania, New York, and Washington, D.C. Residents are urged to stay alert and prepare for severe winter weather. And God knows best.